Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV27. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Dyson SV27 barely lasts 10 minutes, you're not alone. This is a common issue, typically caused by a worn-out battery that can no longer hold a charge effectively. If left unchecked, this problem can render your vacuum cleaner almost useless, making cleaning tasks much more challenging. Ensure you address this issue promptly to maintain the efficiency of your device. For this repair, you will need a replacement battery suitable for the Dyson SV27, a screwdriver set, preferably with a Torx bit and some tweezers. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, make sure your Dyson SV27 is turned off and unplugged. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back of the device to access the battery compartment. Be sure to keep these screws safe as we will need them later. Once the back cover is removed, you should see the battery secured in place. Gently disconnect the battery connector, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, unscrew the battery from its compartment, using the appropriate screwdriver. It's essential to apply a steady force, but be cautious not to over-tighten or strip the screws. Once the battery is free, take the new battery and position it correctly in the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector, making sure it clicks into place. Before closing everything up, double-check that there are no loose wires and that the battery is properly seated. Once you're satisfied, carefully replace the back cover and screw it back into place. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV27, charge it fully, and test it out to ensure it holds a charge as expected. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check the battery condition and avoid overcharging your device. Storing your vacuum cleaner in a cool, dry place can also help prolong the battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.